Microfiber PU casing, made in Japan, for long life. 4 layers of natural foam. Perforated palm, better breathability. Anatomical shape, grip, optimized fist placement. Fully assembled and hand sewn in Thailand. Top reviews from the United States. Great glove overall for the price. I originally ordered a pair of fairtex gloves, but the shipping time took too long and I needed something quick, so I overnighted these Venum gloves via Prime. I ordered the 16 ounces gloves for reference. The quality, fit and finish is very nice. They don't feel like they're going to fall apart and they have a nice sturdiness to them. The material is not real leather, but in reality it holds up and looks just as good as leather. Other people won't look down on you for having the synthetic leather. My hands fits just perfect in these gloves and I'm 190 pounds. Without wraps my hands are snug but not tight. With wraps they are tight, but a perfect tight when nothing will move around, but it won't cut your circulation off either. The padding is really good in this glove as well. I don't feel a thing when I hit the heavy bag many times during training with hand wraps on. I use these gloves for Muay Thai, so if you're looking for a pure boxing glove, these probably won't be the right shape. They have a lot of padding on the palm as well. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase, and if you aren't getting one of the Thai brands, this is the next best thing for the price.